G'day everyone, it is Coach Michelle J. Raymond back again with another new feature for LinkedIn company pages. This one is hot off the press. It hasn't rolled out to everybody, so if you can't find it on your company page today, just be patient. It rolls out in waves, and so your turn shouldn't be too far away. The reason that I'm loving this is it just adds a little bit more legitimacy to our company pages, and I'm really hoping that it will slow down the fake numbers of accounts that are set up out there. We saw LinkedIn roll out verification for individual profiles, and now they're doing it for company pages. I'm going to show you exactly how quick and easy this process should be, and I have heard from people out there that sometimes it's a bit glitchy. Hang in there with new features. This often happens, and they fix it up with time. So if you come across anything that makes it tricky, it's just a timing thing. Rather than me talk about it, how about we go across to LinkedIn and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. Here we are in LinkedIn company page admin view. So we're behind the scenes on my LinkedIn company page, and we're going to scroll down the bottom, keep scrolling until you get to settings. And so I've clicked on settings. Down the bottom of the screen, you're going to see LinkedIn verification controls. So click on that, and here we are, submit request, click on the button. Thanks for your interest, and now it will go through a process, and it's telling me it's going to happen when this feature is now available for my organization. So now that I've expressed interest in having my page verified, when that becomes available for my page, I'll get a notification. Once your company page has been approved and gone through that verification process, then you get a little badge to show that it has been approved. Now, what are the kinds of things that LinkedIn are looking for to approve your company page? Here's what they say in the LinkedIn help section. They say that they are looking for accuracy of certain data points on the page. So example, having the location right, your website URL. They also want you to have an active company page admin. So all of those ghosted pages, that's not going to go and get verified. If the page is claimed, so somebody actually has to say, hey, that's our company page and own it. And the last thing that they make sure is that you are compliant with LinkedIn's policies. So that's what they're looking for. Pretty simple. I would imagine that this is a pretty big deal when you're rolling it out to almost 70 million company pages globally. So be patient with this one. I think it gets 2 thumbs up for me on this, and I can't wait to see other features keep the platform safe. That's it today. Short and sweet. Just want to make sure you're up to date with the latest features that are coming out on LinkedIn, especially with company pages. If you are someone that likes to stay up to date with all the latest LinkedIn features and releases, then don't forget, subscribe to the channel, turn those notifications on, and you'll be the first to know. Cheers.